Okay, next is the keto-slimming vitamin C. So this is the vitamin C that helps actually sa burning ng fat sa body. Kasi kung titignan niyo yung component, we have L-carnitine. And we need L-carnitine to transform yung fats into usable energy. So, yun yung gamit ng L-carnitine. And Garcia Cambodia, the same thing. It helps facilitate yung fats, no? Metabolism of fats, so we can use it for energy. Now, may isa pang effect si Garcia Cambodia, no? Na anti-appetite. So, kung medyo may mataas yung appetite mo for food, pag nag-take ka ng Garcia Cambodia, medyo nagsasubside yung appetite. Now, so pampapayat siya, may green tea, no? Which is for detoxification, and meron siyang rose hip extra, which is also rich in vitamin C. So natural vitamin C rin siya na nakakapayat. Yan yung pang-apat na vitamin C natin.